Question 3. There were 2 plates in the sink that needed to be washed and some cups. Altogether, 5 things needed to be washed. How many cups needed washing? Question 3 is about plates and cups. I'm going to do my plates using my blue texture and blue cubes, and I'm going to use the cups for the green cubes and texture. There were 2 plates in the sink. This is my first part. It's 2 plates. So I will get 2 cubes for the 2 plates in the sink that needed to be washed and some cups. The cups will go here, but the information, this is my unknown. It's the one I don't know from the writing. Some cups. Altogether, 5 things needed to be washed. The 5 things is the whole of the plates, and the cups will make the 5 things. The question says how many cups need washing. So I'm trying to find how many cups. I'm going to use the plan of whole subtract part equals part. I know the whole of 5, and if I subtract the part of the plates that I know, I will end up with the part of the cups that I don't know. 5 subtract 2 equals 3. There are 3 cups. To check this, I'm going to arrange my parts so as I can see without counting. 2 plates, and there's my 3 cups. The part of the plates add the part of the cups equals the whole amount of 5 things. And if I move them together, I can see the whole is 5 without counting. The last thing I check is my question. How many cups needed washing? That was this, which is my 3. And I write the 3 cups next to the question mark. I could have also used this plan. Part add part equals whole. I know the part that are the plates of 2. I don't know the part that are the cups, but I do know the whole of 5. 2 add 3 equals 5. Plates add cups equals the total of 5.